Wait, I was trying to explain to my guys yesterday.
Yep.
It would be a good idea for the UPDF to intervene in this Russia-Ukraine crisis. Just to settle things down.
Exactly. Yeah, I think it makes sense. After all, we even have the strongest army. I think in Africa we have the strongest army.
Exactly. That's what I was trying. But guys were arguing, guys were telling me, wow, bro, just jazzy. I'm like, okay. Anyway, I'm going to the kitchen. I want to get some eat. I don't know whether you guys also need something.
For me, I'm good to go. I'm positive this guy.
No, I'm also kawa. You can just get for yourself. Let me come, Problem, you know they finish. Whose phone is that, Hey, this guy has forgotten his phone. Is that my phone ringing? Yeah, actually, someone has been trying to call you. Why didn't you tell me that somebody has been calling? Not me, it's that guy.
You see, don't lie on the public platform.
You guys are not serious, man. I tell you, it's a very important call.